Place the numbers below in order from least to greatest. Which number will go in the red box? Now we have all these different numbers, and I'm going to list them over here because we're going to have to find out their decimal equivalents. I'm actually just going to list the ones that are square roots that we have to find the decimals of and leave the others to be. So we have negative root 2, we have root 3, and we have negative root 3. Let's start with negative root 2. What do I know about negative root 2? Well, first thing I know is it's negative. Second thing I know is that root 1 is equal to 1 and root 4 is equal to 2. So that means, and if we want to talk negatives, there we go. Negative root 1 is negative 1, negative root 4, negative 2. Negative 2 is in between here. There are three numbers between 1 and 4. Root 2, root 3, and then root 4. So, root 2 is 1/3 of the way between root 1 and root 2. So it's equal to negative 1 1/3, or negative 1.3. Root 3 is going to be located, it will be the same thing as root 1 and root 4, except for it will be now the second place. It will be located at 1 2/3, which is equal to 1.67. And last, we have negative root 3, which is actually going to be the same as positive root 3, just negative 1.67. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this work, and we're going to keep the numbers that we just found. So this was negative 1.33, and again, these are estimates, they aren't perfect answers. 1.67 and negative 1.67, and now I'm going to bring over the other two numbers, 1.5 and negative 1.6. Now it says to place them in order from least to greatest. So let's start by finding the least. Well, the least number is negative 1.67, which we call negative root 3. Next up is negative 1.6, followed by negative 1.33, right? Negative numbers will always be less than positive numbers. And now we have two positive numbers. We have 1.5. Oh, whoops, and by the way, this one here should have been negative root 2 and not negative 1.33, the original number we're using. And the greatest number would be root 3. But the question is, which number will go in the red box? The answer, negative 1.6.